Hit. The first case Telugu movie summary. Vikram Rudraju is a nimble cop working in homicide intervention team, HIT, a branch of CID, of Telangana. He suffers from frequent PTSD episodes and conceals his tragic past from his girlfriend Neha, a forensic investigator. He refuses to take drugs as he believes that they slow down his competencies but takes a sabbatical to recuperate on Neha's insistence. Meanwhile, Prithi, a college student, stalls on ORR as her car malfunctions. Ibrahim, a commuting police officer, offers help and she uses his mobile to inform her father of the events. Ibrahim promptly leaves and later spots Prithi getting into a blue car, which he presumes to be that of her father. Prithi's father Mohan reports that she is missing and the blue car was not his. He reproaches Ibrahim for his laxity, but the latter rebuts. Mohan and his wife Lakshmi reach out to Vishwanath, their family friend and Vikram's boss, who suspends Ibrahim and doubts his alibi. After 2 months, Vikram learns that Neha went missing and his arch-nemesis Abhilash is handling the case. He requests Vishwanath to be assigned the case, but he refuses and emphasizes that he will take it personally. Vikram and his colleague Rohit ask Neha's colleague Shinde for details about the cases Neha has been handling for past 3 months. Vikram notes similarities between the missing of Neha and that of Prithi and approaches Vishwanath to be instead allotted with Prithi's missing case. While Abhilash strongly believes that Vikram is behind Neha's disappearance, Vikram and Rohit go to Prithi's college and meet her best friends Ajay and Sandhya, who reveal that they clubbed a night before Prithi went missing. They further deduce that Prithi was an orphan raised in the orphanage run by Saraswati and that she was adopted by Mohan's brother Shiva and the latter's wife Priya. After the duo died in an accident, Mohan and Lakshmi reared her. Sheila, a socially ostracized divorcee and Prithi's neighbor, finds a note stating that a dead body, apparently that of Prithi, is behind a guest house. Vikram infers that Sheila wrote the note herself and owns a blue car. She is subsequently apprehended and interrogated. Though she affirms that she forged the note to gain attention, Vikram disbelieves her and excavates the ground behind the guest house. The cops discover an unrecognizable putrid corpse in the ground and realize that it is of Prithi. The case goes nowhere as the forensic officers reveal that the traces of DNA of Ajay, Mohan and Saraswati were found on the corpse. When Ajay goes missing, Vikram suspects him but realizes that Prithi was his girlfriend and that he left to mourn her death. Vikram later receives a call from a woman Lata, who reports being threatened by a person on the Wara to get off her car and relates to the events leading to Prithi's missing. Vikram begins his investigation from the local toll booth and deduces that a common lorry, driven by a common person, passed the toll booth on both the days and realizes that the blue car was also transported in the lorry, explaining why it was not caught in the CCTV cameras. He recognizes the driver to be mechanic Fahad, an acquaintance of Ibrahim. Ibrahim leads Vikram to Fahad's residence, where Fahad fires at them and kills Ibrahim while Abhilash intervenes and rescues Vikram. Both of them subdue Fahad, who reveals that he received a contract to abduct Prithi and Neha while kidnapping Lata was his personal interest to gain ransom, and takes them to the perpetrator's residence. Vikram barges into the bungalow and finds Rohit. The latter tries to shoot Vikram but gets shot instead and dies. His wife Swapna mourns his death and admits to being the mastermind, while Abhilash finds Neha tied and gagged upstairs. As Neha and Vikram reunite, Swapna reveals that she was raised by Saraswati in her orphanage along with her younger sister Alekhya and Prithi. When Shiva and Priya arrive at an orphanage, seeking to adopt one of the girls, Swapna pleaded with Prithi to let Alekhya be adopted so that she could receive treatment for her heart disease. Prithi feigned compliance but chose to be adopted by the couple, and Alekhya tragically died due to the disease on her birthday. Swapna grew depressed and furious with Prithi for her selfish conduct, which resurfaced after she met her at a pub a few days before her disappearance. She got her abducted and brutally killed her. Rohit, who was unaware of all the preceding events, found Swapna with Prithi's corpse and buried it to protect his wife. They abducted Neha after she nearly found them but planned to sedate and untie her before illegally immigrating abroad. Rohit relocated the corpse to the place where Sheila created that it would be and planted the traces of DNA he collected from Ajay, Mohan and Saraswati to mislead the investigation and let the case go cold. Vikram finds the note left by Rohit and realizes that the gun he was holding had no bullets and that he purposely aimed it at Vikram to get shot and killed, completely sure that he would crack the case. While it is revealed that Vikram's sister Sushmita alias Sushmi was stalked and immolated in front of Vikram, the latter refuses to disclose further details about his past to Neha. Subsequently, Vikram falls prey to an unsuccessful assassination attempt, hinting a sequel.